It's one of the only surgery centers in Iowa to receive both a major accreditation and a special distinction. Dr. Paul Butler from Des Moines Orthopedic Surgeons and Michelle Islander from Ankeny Medical Park Surgery Center are here to tell us more. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
This is a big week, lots of distinctions and even a new announcement. Tell us about this.
Yeah, and so one of the things that brought us in was just the accreditations that we've received over the last few months, and a lot of stuff has been going on, and even before we even knew we were coming on today, we received an additional notification that we got notified as being one of the top 5 surgery centers in the Midwest by Newsweek.
Oh, wow.
Something that was just completely out of the blue, came across our desk, and it was just, that's always a nice pat on the back to reaffirm what we're doing up in Ankeny.
Yes, congratulations. And tell us about the surgery center there, because it's a big partnership, right?
Yeah, and so it's a combination up in Ankeny of working with Unity Point, DMOS, orthopedic surgeons, and then also IDDC, Digestive Disease Center. And so up there we've got a couple ORs, some procedure rooms for them to work. And the big thing that's come through recently is with the accreditations is what it signifies is that they've acknowledged the combination of patient care, satisfaction, quality outcomes. And it's not something that they give to everybody by any means. And so you have to hit high standards in all of those criteria. And so it just verifies, why we come into work every day is to take care of these patients well. And it just validates what's being accomplished.
Michelle, it's also a blue distinction. What does that mean?
So Wellmark Blue Cross Blue Shield does a blue distinction recognition, and you have to do a certification. Lots of standards have to be met, not just now, but ongoing. And so we continually take care of all of those things, as well as making sure that our patients are getting the best care before, during, and then after the surgery. So for total joints, that's where the blue distinction comes in for both hips, knees, and shoulders. And we do those all at our surgery center, and with DMOS being the surgical partner. So
obviously this is great news. What does this mean for Ankeny Surgery Center and DMOS?
So both for the total joints and then just also for the accreditation, it just means that we are not only highly ranked as the standards that we meet, but we also make sure that we're doing education the right way. We're making sure that our patients are being taken care of the correct way, and just making sure that we're answering all the questions that the patients have. And like I said, before, during, and after, we just make sure that they're taken care of.
And what does this mean for the patients? Obviously, big news.
Yeah, and I think the big thing is that it just validates why they come to DMOS and why they choose to come to the Ankeny Surgery Center in the first place. Because we established that relationship, and the label on the wall or the certification is always nice because it just reaffirms what we're doing every day. But at the same time, it gives that positive feedback to the patients and that assurance of saying, hey, you know what, yes, we have that positive interaction with our surgeons and our care teams, but externally, the bodies that overlook everything and they compare us to other centers, they say, no, they actually are doing a great job and doing potentially better than other places. And so, it always gives them that added reassurance. Nobody likes surgery, but at the same time, it's when you have that little bit of extra to give you that positive feedback and reaffirm is always good.
And especially as more people seem to need joint replacement
Yes.
as we all get older, right?
Definitely, definitely. And we've seen this transition over the last many years of where, it used to be where people had joint replacements and it wasn't uncommon for people to stay in the hospital for multiple days. And then it's been 2 days and then 1 day. And now doing outpatient joints and, definitely the pre-op work and getting patients prepared is big. And so making sure they're safe for what they're doing and making sure they're going to be successful long term is really what this encompasses, so then patients can make it through the process and be successful. And when I talk with patients myself, one of the big things is that, hospitals are hospitals, they're not a hotel. And so the thing is that if you can go through the process safely and be able to sleep in your own bed that night, that's always nice too. But the number one is keeping patients safe and making sure they're successful long term. And really what this accreditation and verification has shown is that, yeah, patients are doing that and they're being very successful with the process.
Well, thank you both so much for being here to share this with us. Congratulations again.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
DMOS Orthopedic Centers has 3 convenient locations: Des Moines, West Des Moines, and Ankeny. For more information or to make an appointment, just call 515-224-1414 or visit the website dmos.com. You can also follow them on Facebook and Instagram.